Hello, my name is Bartek. In this series of videos, I will be guiding you on how to create a simple location-aware Android app from scratch. This is my first tutorial video ever and English isn't my native language, so if I do something wrong or there is anything I could improve upon, let me know in the comments. So let's talk about the app itself. I named it Buswaker because I thought it can be used to wake people up on the bus so they won't miss their bus stops. The app has two activities, the intro activity and the maps activity. The first one only shows up on the first run. It introduces the user to features of the app. Maps activity is where all the important stuff happens. Here we can set a destination point on the map and start location tracking. When we click on this yellow button, a foreground service is started. Now all we have to do is to reach the destination. Now I'll just move the destination marker to be closer us. As you can see and hear, the app starts ringing. We can cancel it by clicking on the cancel button on the notification. That's the app I'll build in the upcoming videos. From the technical side, I'll use Kotlin with Android KTX and architecture components. So now I'm going to create a new Android Studio project. It will be Maps activity. The name of our application will be Buswaker Tutorial. Buswaker Tutorial. Package name is OK. City location, it's good, but I want a lowercase. Buswaker Tutorial. Language, I will use Kotlin because it's just much better than Java. Minimum LPL level, let's select Lollipop, because I'm not going to support these old Androids. No one uses them, and if you use them, you shouldn't. Let's use Android X artifacts, and I won't support instant apps because it won't make any sense in this kind of application. Let's click finish. Now Gradle will start syncing and building our project. Okay, the build is finished. Now we can just run our app on my Android emulator. We can see it works, but it doesn't do anything. Even the map isn't displayed because we don't have an API key. I will show you how to get an API key in the upcoming videos. So now there's just one more thing I'd like to do, and this is I'd like to initialize a Git repository for this project because I'm going to use Git for version control. So it's Buswaker. Where is this project? Buswaker Tutorial. Okay. And now Git init. So let's just add our gitignore file. And now we can add everything and commit initial commit. And that's all in this episode. In the next video I'll get API key for Google Maps so the map will be working. And also I'd like to note that you don't have to use Git if you don't know it, it just doesn't matter. In the description you can find a link to source code of the app. It is hosted on GitHub. I hope you enjoyed this introduction. See you in the next video where we'll get our hands dirty with code.